My name is Muthusi Mokgwa. I'm a senior engineer in the building material science. Beatrice's mandate is to conduct needs-based research and development. Kgalagadi sand building block is produced from Kgalagadi sand. We currently have two types of bricks. The conventional bricks produced from river sand and crusher sand, and the Kgalagadi sand produced from Kgalagadi sand. Currently in Botswana, we are having challenges with river sand. There are only few places we can collect it from in the whole of Botswana. We're also having challenges with crusher sand, as the quarry resources are only located in a few areas. It makes building materials inaccessible to a lot of communities. Kgalagadi sand covers 75% of Botswana landmass. The production process, we have raw materials being Kalahari sand, the blend being a mixture of OPC and fly ash, mixing water. We then batch these raw materials and mix with a pen mixer. Once the mix has reached homogeneity, it is then taken through a pneumatic press. We then cover the bricks in situ and cure it with water for 7 days on the floor. Kalahari sand covers 75% of Botswana. It covers a very good component of Southern Africa as a result of the Kalahari Desert. It also covers a good portion of Northern Africa as a result of the Sahara Desert. This on its own gives it a very wide footprint where it can be used to the best of the communities living around those areas.